Number 1. The 1971 Pontiac Leman's GT37, priced at $8,700, located in Orient, Ohio. Equipped with a 400 CI engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, along with a 12-bolt differential. Overall, it is still roadworthy and can be driven home. The car underwent restoration a few years ago, but the extent of the bodywork done is unknown to the current owner. Aesthetically, it still looks decent, but there are some areas that need attention, such as patched sections in the trunk area and a worn interior, particularly the torn and aged front seats. The engine remains strong, with a tidy ignition system and wiring, while the tires are still in good condition. This car offers a classic driving experience with the combination of a V8 engine and manual transmission. It comes with a clear title, and the seller is only interested in trading for pre-1972 classic cars or trucks, with no interest in motorcycles. Number 2. The 1973 Plymouth Duster, priced at $4,800. Located in Glide, Oregon. A running project that still requires some refinements. Aftermarket wheels add an aggressive look, while the front and rear bumpers remain original. The 318 V8 engine is running and drivable, though there is no mention of leaks or other issues. The braking system has been updated with new pads and rotors, but the suspension still needs work, particularly the ball joints. The interior needs significant attention, with missing door panels, a headliner that needs replacement, and a dashboard with mostly non-functional instruments. The owner has already installed new carpeting, but the window glass needs to be reinstalled. The glass is included. Additionally, the trunk area requires extra metal plating to be welded in to restore structural integrity. While still a work in progress, this car provides a solid foundation for Mopar enthusiasts looking for a project. The asking price is low, but the seller is open to negotiations for a fair deal. Number 3. The 1976 Dodge Aspen, priced at $8,500. Located in Franklinton, Los Angeles. A survivor car that has retained its original paint and interior, making it more desirable for collectors. The 318 V8 engine and console shift automatic transmission offer a classic driving experience with decent power. The original paint is still in great condition, with only minor rust on the passenger side rear panel. The interior is well preserved, with minor stitching separation on the driver's seat, but still comfortable and usable. The sunroof works perfectly without leaks, adding extra value to the car. Mechanically, it runs, stops, and drives very well, even reliable enough for occasional 55-mile commutes. Additionally, the AC is functional, and the car has been fitted with new headers and side-exit exhaust, giving it a more powerful sound. Chrome wheels further enhance the sporty 1970s look. Number 4. The 1968 Buick Sport Wagon, priced at $10,000. Located in Richmond, Illinois. Features a red and white paint job, creating a striking classic appearance. While visually appealing, there are some small bubbles on the lower fenders, along with scratches and paint chipping in some areas. The tan interior is in decent condition, though slightly faded due to age. Powered by a Buick 350 engine with an automatic transmission, it comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, a tilt steering column, and AC, though the AC is currently non-functional. The electric rear window on the tailgate works well, and overall the car runs, shifts, and drives smoothly without fluid leaks. American racing wheels give this wagon a sporty touch. There are some rust spots and minor damage on the lower body, but overall, it remains a solid and drivable classic project. Number 5. The 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $7,500. Located in Mesa, Arizona. Equipped with a 318 engine and an automatic transmission with a column shifter. The body is mostly straight, with solid floors, frame, and crossmember. However, some areas need attention, such as the spare tire well in the trunk, which has already been repaired, and rust bubbles on the lower quarter panels and rocker panels. The interior is fairly tidy, with good carpeting and door panels, though the seats are from another unknown vehicle. The car runs in the yard but is not yet fully roadworthy due to issues with the engine bay wiring harness, though a good used replacement harness is included. Additional trim pieces and spare parts are stored in the trunk. The car has a clean title, and the owner is open to trades for pre-1972 Mopars or other hot rods. Number 6. The 1967 Dodge Coronet, priced at $8,500, located in Cleburne, Texas. A classic Mopar with an attractive body style. It features a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, though it needs some work. The 273 V8 solid cam engine is in good condition, with low mileage and mostly original components, except for several replaced parts to ensure it runs, including a new fuel pump, water pump, timing chain, radiator, and carburetor. A full tune-up has been completed, including new spark plugs, plug wires, and points. The car also has new tires and an improved braking system with replaced rubber brake hoses. However, it still needs a new fuel tank and windshield and rear window seals. The interior is mostly intact, with black upholstered seats, a good dashboard, and the original steering wheel. Overall, this is a promising classic project with great potential, especially for Mopar enthusiasts. The owner is open to trading for a Chevy C10 Plus cash or even a Chevelle. Additionally, he has a 1986 Camaro Z28 with a 383-stroker engine and Posey rear end, priced at $6,000, also available for trade. Number 7. The 1979 Chevrolet Suburban 1500, priced at $8,900, located in Bristol, Illinois. This 2WD model comes with the Cheyenne package, featuring a 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The vehicle has been used as a daily driver and summer trip vehicle, operating without issues, leaks, or smoke. The engine and transmission work smoothly, and it has tri-Y headers with dual-chambered exhaust, producing a smooth yet powerful sound. The suspension remains comfortable, and ceramic window tint has been added for extra protection. The exterior showcases a classic patina look paired with 20 rally wheels and new tires. The interior remains original, including an uncracked dashboard and factory radio. Based on the images, the interior is clean, with the front seats in good shape despite some wear. The cargo area is spacious and well kept, indicating minimal modifications or alterations. There are some minor surface rust spots, particularly around the rear door rails. Number 8. The 1977 Ford Granada, priced at $8,900, located in Walworth, Wisconsin. A rare model, equipped with a 4-speed floor-mounted manual transmission and a straight-six engine. Only 179 units of the Granada were produced with this option in 1977, making it a unique collector's car. The vehicle is completely original, with the odometer showing 44,000 miles, indicating low mileage for its age. It is in near-mint condition, with original paint and interior preserved since it was first purchased at Fallon Ford in Arlington Heights 47 years ago. The exterior retains its shine, with original wheels and intact trim. This car has a remarkable ownership history, having been well cared for by the previous owner for over 40 years. A classic green color scheme typical of the 1970s adds to its charm. Number 9. The 1978 Oldsmobile Toronado, priced at $8,000, located in Bowerston, Ohio. A luxury coupe with the classic late 1970s design. The glossy black exterior pairs with a red velour cloth interior, which remains tidy and comfortable. The engine bay is clean, featuring an aftermarket air induction system, showing that the car has been well maintained. The odometer reads 77,200 miles, which is relatively low for its age. Recent repairs and new parts include front axle shafts, front shocks, a fuel tank and sending unit, fuel hoses, fuel pump, carburetor, exhaust pipes, distributor, and 2 fiberglass quarter panel extensions. Additionally, a restored spare carburetor is included. However, the rear bumper needs replacement. Overall, this is a well-preserved classic, roadworthy, and only needs minor exterior refinements. Number 10. The 1970 Buick Riviera GS, priced at $5,000, located in Assanet, Massachusetts. This is an all-original survivor car, still wearing its factory paint. a rare model with only 3,500 units produced that year, and even more special due to its factory handling package, which was only available on about 5% of the total production. Powered by a 4.555 Ci V8 engine paired with a TH400 transmission, this car delivers 370 HP and 500 lb-ft of torque in its stock configuration. The interior remains intact with full options, including AC and various functioning electrical features. Although the car originally came from Florida and is mostly rust-free, there is minor corrosion on the skirts. It is drivable, but needs a brake booster repair and new tires to be fully roadworthy. Overall, this is a rare and underrated classic, being sold as is without trade options. Number 11. The 1961 Ford Fairlane, priced at $5,500, located in Two Rivers, Wisconsin. A classic driver-quality car, still roadworthy. The paint is aged, but retains its charm with custom pinstriping by a local artist. Rust appears minimal, which is uncommon for cars from this era. The interior is well kept, featuring blue and black upholstery, either original or period correct. The V8 engine has received some upgrades, including a new carburetor, and the car runs, brakes, and turns heads on the road. Some refinements are still needed to bring it to the next level. The owner has enjoyed the car with family, but is now looking for someone who will continue its restoration. Number 12. The 1972 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $9,500. Located in Kennewick, Washington. A classic muscle car powered by a 351 Cleveland engine and an automatic transmission. Recently taken out of storage since 2019, it has been serviced with a new fuel pump, fresh gas, and a new battery, and it starts up smoothly with a strong engine sound. The car has been test-driven around the neighborhood multiple times, but still needs some maintenance before being fully roadworthy. The power convertible top is functional, and this car likely has factory AC. It has been in the same area for over 40 years. The glass is in good condition, while the body remains solid, though some bubbling is present in the lower paint areas. The interior is clean, but the rear seat fabric does not match the original spec, even though it is the correct convertible rear seat. The convertible top is in good condition, with minor cracking near the rear window. The paint is not perfect, but a good detailing job would improve its appearance. The car comes with a clean Washington title, parade boot, and original XR7 hubcaps. Number 13. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $7,000, located in Grove City, Ohio. Mechanically solid but requires some interior work. Powered by a Chevy 2.83 small block engine with a modified camshaft, paired with a turbo 350 transmission, it is described as running well and reliable for long drives. With a 2.73 rear gear ratio, it is comfortable for highway cruising. The body is solid overall, though the interior shows wear, particularly the rear plastics, which have become brittle due to sun exposure. The rear air shocks still function, ensuring a comfortable ride. The US mag wheels are included with the car. The owner is only interested in trades for pre-1987 vehicles, particularly station wagons, and is not interested in trucks or motorcycles. Number 14. The 1978 Buick Turbo Regal, priced at $7,500, located in Sanford, Florida. This was the first year for the 3.8L V6 turbo engine. The car is in good condition with only 32,000 original miles, owned by its second owner. Mechanically, it runs and drives very well, featuring a factory dual exhaust system. The interior remains intact with working factory features, including an AM/FM radio with an 8-track player, power windows, AC, tilt steering wheel, and cruise control, except for the power antenna, which is non-functional. The white interior is well preserved, though the exterior shows some wear and evidence of vinyl top removal. The owner plans to repair and match the paint where the vinyl top was removed before selling, and has all the necessary trim for those who want to reinstall the vinyl top. No lowball offers will be considered, and the owner is not interested in trades for motorcycles, ATVs, or boats, but may consider trading for a 1978 or 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass 2-door. Number 15. The 1981 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $850, located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, a parts car rather than a restoration candidate. The 307 V8 engine and Turbo 350 transmission have not been started in over 10 years. It features power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, rear defogger, and cruise control. The frame is in good condition, but the floor is extremely rusted, with significant exterior body rust as well. The interior is complete, with stainless trim in great condition, but the brakes do not work at all, making it undrivable. Restoring this car would be a major challenge due to its condition. It is sold with a title, and the owner will not respond to availability inquiries, only serious offers or scheduled viewings. Don't forget to watch the other videos, dude. I'll also be sharing more information about the car.